Hi everybody, this is Liek McGillivray from Arts and Crafts by Liek. And remember, someone sent me practically for the sending costs these lovely vintage Christmas fabrics. And she said, I have some more African fabrics for you if you'd like. And I said, well, I'm curious, send me some pictures. But then I didn't hear anymore from her. But then a few days ago, she said, I've sent you something. And it was totally for free. So I thought I had to clean up my room, but I didn't. And I couldn't wait anymore. So here it is. And look at that. I love it so much. I was thinking before I was opening it, I hope it will be some batiks. And see what she sent me. She makes things out of it, bags and things like that. She does. We have very much in common. But look what I got. All these fabrics. So much. And all those colors and oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. I also had Marlene in my mind to make something with, but look at that. It can be very nice. So I'm going to make lots of things with it and going to have lots of fun with this. So thank you, Els. I don't know if you want to call your surname, but thank you, Els. I'm so happy with them. I love it. So, on to the next. Thanks for watching. See you in the next. Bye.